What is the best way to invest $500,000 for retirement? Receiving $500,000 is a life-changing opportunity, especially when planning for retirement. The challenge is how to make it work for you, balancing growth, safety, and tax efficiency. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. So, what is the best way to invest $500,000 for retirement? Here's a clear strategy to consider. 1. Define your timeline and risk tolerance. Your age and retirement horizon shape your choices. Younger investors can lean more into stocks for growth, while those nearing retirement may prefer safer assets like bonds or cash equivalents. 2. Diversify across assets. A balanced portfolio reduces risk. A sample split could be 40% equities, U.S. and international funds, 25% bonds or TIPS, 15% real estate or REITs, 10% alternatives, commodities or private equity, 10% gold or precious metals. 3. Add a gold IRA for protection. Dedicating 10 to 15% of your portfolio to a gold IRA can hedge against inflation and economic instability. Work with an IRS-approved custodian, choose approved bullion or coins, and store them in a secure depository. 4. Use tax-advantaged accounts, leverage IRAs, 401k rollovers, or HSAs to minimize taxes and maximize compounding over time. 5. Rebalance regularly. Markets shift. Review your portfolio at least twice a year and adjust allocations to stay aligned with your goals. The best way to invest $500,000 for retirement is through a diversified, tax-efficient plan that mixes growth assets with protective hedges like a gold IRA. With periodic reviews, your $500,000 can become the foundation of lasting retirement security. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.